Did you know you can now create longer reels on Instagram? Still stuck with short clips when you actually need more time? Let me show you how to switch your reel length to 20 minutes in seconds. Welcome to Preyo Phonie. Today I'll show you exactly how to create a 20-minute reel on Instagram step by step. Step 1. Unlock your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into the correct account. Update the app if needed to access the latest reel features. Now you're ready to create longer video content. Step 2. Look at the top left corner of your screen. Tap the plus icon to start creating new content. This is where you can post stories, posts, or reels. You'll now see different content format options. Step 3. From the content options, tap on Reel. This will open the reel creation camera. You'll see editing tools on the left side of the screen. Now you're inside the reel recording interface. If this tutorial is helping you grow your content game, hit the like button and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more powerful Instagram growth tips every week. Step 4. On the left toolbar, find the length option. Tap on it to adjust your video duration settings. This controls how long your reel can be. Choosing the right length is important for your content style. Step 5. After tapping length, you'll see multiple duration options. Instagram usually offers several time limits to choose from. Each option allows different maximum recording lengths. Select the one that fits your content strategy. Step 6. Tap on the 20-minute option from the list. This allows you to record a much longer reel. Now you can create tutorials, podcasts, or detailed content. Your reel length is successfully set to 20 minutes. And that's how you unlock and use the 20-minute reel feature on Instagram. Longer reels are perfect for educational content, storytelling, and deep engagement. Make sure your content stays valuable to maintain audience retention. For more expert-level Instagram tutorials, keep watching Preyo Phonie, where we turn simple tips into powerful growth strategies.